Say I'm back. So now, whoops, you want to take any type of tomato sauce, whatever kind. You could dip some, just a little bit, not too much, and pour inside that hole right there. Just like that. Now you want to take this, you want to put that inside of there. Oops. Now we're going to put some sauce all over it. Make sure it's spread out. Not too much. Like this is the perfect type. This is the perfect amount of sauce. You don't have to add too much. So now we're going to use, just because of this video, I'm just going to use half of mozzarella cheese. Now I'm going to add half of cheese up on top of the gravy. Now you're going to take a spoon of sauce and just pour it on there. Just a little bit. Now you're going to place this in the oven and set your oven to 350 minutes degrees. And it's only going to take about 15 minutes. So make sure to set your alarms for 15 minutes when this goes in the oven. I'll see you when it comes out.